Ayaan, the sky is changing. Hello, friends. Want to explore seasons? This is spring. Everything grows and blooms. So colorful. Bless you. Spring means flowers grow. Rainy season brings rain. Let's make it rain. Yay, splash time. Wow, look at that rainbow. This is autumn. Leaves are falling. So pretty. Now it's winter. Brr, it's cold. Let's play in snow. This is summer. Let's cool down. Summer is hot and sunny and full of fun. Which season do you like? Tell us below. Bye-bye.